In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Xero dashboard to effortlessly generate a business snapshot report. This allows you to effectively review key business metrics and grasp the financial health across selected time periods. Let's delve into this intuitive process step by step. First, you're going to start by heading to the Xero dashboard. This is the central hub, where you can access a variety of tools and insights to manage and monitor your business's performance. Once you are there, direct your attention to the menu. Navigate over to the reporting section. This is where you'll find a wealth of history and analytics information. In this context, what we need is the business snapshot, as it compiles all the essential metrics into a single, easy-to-digest report. If you're utilizing Analytics Plus, your path may vary slightly. Within the Reports list, you'll want to look through the options displayed and locate Business Snapshot. This is designed to provide a comprehensive overview, capturing everything substantial to your business's performance metrics. Now, let's set the appropriate date range to tailor your analysis. This part is crucial as it allows you to focus on the period of utmost importance to you. You may, for instance, choose to analyze data year to date if you want a broad overview of annual progress. Alternatively, examining the last month might be preferable for more recent insights. The flexibility to adjust this range makes it a robust tool to cater to varying analytical needs, ensuring you're always equipped with the most relevant information. After adjusting these settings, something fantastic about the Xero platform is that it automatically saves these customizations. This feature not only saves time, but also guarantees that your adjustments are not lost, thereby streamlining future access and usage. Besides saving automatically, there are additional steps you might consider to further secure or share your results. If needed, there is the option to print the report, which can be handy for physical archiving or sharing during meetings. Alternatively, you might prefer saving it digitally. The report can be converted quickly into a PDF, making it easy to share with team members, stakeholders, or your business network. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to generating and customizing a business snapshot on the Xero dashboard. I hope this breakdown has been both helpful and instructive, empowering you to leverage these insights effectively for your business strategy. If you have any more questions about this process, or need further guidance on other aspects of the Xero platform, feel free to reach out. Thank you for joining today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.